In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the program called Wixie, which is a drawing and paint program that you can do with kindergarten through second grade. So on your rapid identity tiles, Wixie looks like this right here. It's a red tile with a painted hand. I'm going to click on that and go into it. You will probably need to sign into your account. From there, you'll click on the Login with Active Directory, the 4 colored squares as we tell the kids. Log in as teacher. They won't get that part when they log in. So here's the basic interface for Wixie. You have all your projects that you've created in a running list here. You can start out by clicking on New. When you click on New, you can pick your page style, whether you want landscape format or if you want portrait format. Once you also create different projects, you can create assignments for the kids, and I'll show that in a later video that they can get and work on, similar to doing activities in Seesaw. But I'm going to start just by clicking on landscape. So this is the interface here. You have your working paper here in landscape mode. Right now it's untitled, so you can give it a title there. You have some basic file if you want a new project. Obviously, when you're done, you can share it or assign it to certain students if you're putting something together. And then you have your edit with your cut, copy, and paste and duplicate. So it's basically a graphics program. You can put text boxes in here. You can put images in here. You can paint on it. It's just a great kind of art program for kids. You can put together books for kids to add to, like templates for them to add to. It's great for the primary kids. So on this top here is adding pages. If I click and add a page, you can see over on the right, I have 2 of 2, and the kids have the same kind of interface as you do. So I can click that and go back. There's my first page. I can bring in text boxes. So when I bring in a text box, it just adds a text box here. And I can type in here my title. I have to kind of click in here a few times. Sometimes it's a little finicky. Put my title in here. I can move it around. I can rotate it. Okay, I can speak it here. And I can make it larger and stuff like that in here. That's how you do text. And then images are in here. I'll show images in another video. You can see it in a story mode. So if I pull this up, you can see the amount of pages that I have, and you can rearrange those pages if you'd like. I'm going to click on that first page, go back to my title page. As I go down, it shows your number of pages. This is where you would sign out. These are your paint tools that I'll get into in another video. One of the key features here is the bottom. This is the undo and redo. So if kids make mistakes, especially when painting, instead of using the eraser tool, I tell them to go down and use the undo tool. So the undo will do your undo, basically your last steps. And it goes back quite a ways, so the kids find it very useful to use that tool. So this is the basic interface, how to get in to Wixie, how to start a new project. In the upcoming videos, I'll show you about the tools.